Model 2018 Citroen Dispatch Expert 2.0 Blue Hdi needs engine repair. Euro 6 Vat Included. Bargain body, black, panel. Van mileage 131,242 MOT. The 22nd of November 2025. Engine 1997 cc DW10 FEA. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire. Check engine light on the dash. Engine down on compression, takes very long to start and engine is shaking really bad, smoking really bad and oil is mixing with coolant. Engine needs repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 former keepers, air